the exits, and a change in color or an exit sign will help you locate an exit. It is also unlikely, but if necessary, an oxygen mask will drop from above your seat. Firmly pull the mask to extend the plastic tubing and start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, slip the elastic band over your head, and tighten the straps. Oxygen is flowing, even if the bag does inflate. Put your mask on before helping others. And you'll find a life vest with water-activated light under or near your seat. To use, pull the tab to retrieve the pouch. If there is a strap, remove it from around the pouch. Tear the pouch open, remove and unfold the vest. Slip it over your head. Wrap the belt around your waist and secure it to the buckle in front. Pull the loose end to tighten. Just before leaving the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling down sharply on the red tab or by blowing into the tube. This aircraft is also equipped with infant life vests, which will be distributed if necessary. Smoking and using e-cigarettes and smokeless tobacco are not allowed on this aircraft. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying laboratory smoke detectors. Federal regulations require compliance with all signs, placards, and crew member instructions. We'll be taking off soon, so please bring your seat backs up, close your tray tables, and fasten your seat belt. Food and beverage must be collected and put away for departure, and we'll be coming by to collect any remaining items. We thank you for flying with us today, and we'll be back with more details about our flight once we're in the air.
departure.
turned off in the event of unexpected turbulence. And also please try to keep the aisles and galley areas clear. Also, we ask that you use the restrooms located in your cabin. Please be careful when opening the overhead compartments as contents may have shifted during takeoff. You can now use your phone, laptop, or other devices. If you lose your phone or other device under a seat, please ask a flight attendant to help you retrieve it. Do not move the seat as this can damage the device and the battery. On this flight, Wi-Fi is available, and free movies and TV shows are available on your personal device through the United app. You can find more information in the back of the hemispheres. More information. Shortly, our flight attendants will be coming by with some trays and beverages for you. Let us know if there's any particular request that you have, and we'll do our best to take care of those for you. This is a short flight, so we will have a limited mom flight service today. So we'd like you to relax, enjoy our service, and please let us know if there's anything we can do to make this flight more enjoyable for you.